babies, welcome back to another video with your girl Malvati. So what are we doing today? Today's video is all about skincare products that work for dry, sensitive skin that I have used, the reviews, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's get into it. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post. And yeah, let's get into this video. So the first product that I'm gonna start with, it is the Click Skincare Collection, the Rooibos Plus Antioxidant Purify with SPF 15 Day Cream. This one, I don't mind it, ne? The problem is that it did not hydrate my skin. It did not do anything for my skin. I only used it because of the SPF. So that is why I love this, because of the SPF. And I did see the difference with products that don't have SPF and the ones that do have SPF. There's extra protection for your skin when you're outside or inside, because we have windows, sun does come through. So I used it daily, and I don't know about the night cream. I will try it and we will see, because it is for the night. And every time I wake up, my skin is oily, so I don't mind that. So this one, out of 10, I will give it a 5 because of the SPF, but the rest, it didn't do anything for me. And the Nature's Nourishment, you know me, I'm obsessed with Nature's Nourishment facial toner. It is restoring with Rooibos. This one, it was so good. Like, it has this hydrating, I don't know, it hydrates your skin. It does hydrate your skin, and it made my skin feel fresh. And it was like, I don't know, but it was so good, this one. And it was my mom's. She shared it with me, and I shared it with my little brother. So yeah, and it was so good though. Before I got this cream name, I ran out of my cream. I will put it here on the screen. I ran out of it, and this one, like the Clicks one, was making my skin dry. So I was like, let me try this toner. I was scared to use this toner because I was like, I don't have a cream that I can use. What if it makes me even more dry? And it did the opposite. Like, I used to just put toner on and leave my skin, and I will be hydrated, moisturized. My skin will be feeling so good. So that one, I will give it a 8 out of 10. Yeah. An 8 out of 10. And the Nature's Nourishment on facial cream, like this one, I'll put it on the screen. This one, I love it. I love the fact that it lasts, and I love the fact that it is good on the skin. It doesn't have fragrance. It is gentle. It is so perfect. I do want to get it again, but was saying to get that to the other mall, the bigger mall. So yeah, I would love to get it again, just so that I have a backup, or I can use it. You know, I want to like build up my skincare collection. So good. So I'm trying things little by little, hanyan, because I don't want to just try a bunch of products at the same time and not know what is breaking my skin out or what is working, or So I look at affordable products that I know, or I do have the capability to repurchase should I need it again. So that one was good. The only problem is that, I don't know, maybe I have to use it like times a day, at the morning and at night. I used to do that, and it did moisturize my skin. But if I used it only once a day, like after a couple of hours, my skin will be dry again. And it is water-based, so it is light and so I will give it a 9 out of 10, only because like, if you don't use it 2 times a day, your skin will be dry. I have dry skin. My skin is very dry. And another Nature's Nourishment product that I used, it is the Nature's Nourishment Skin Cleanser. I love this. You all know that I love this. I love this so much, because for 70 mils for my face only. I don't even remember when I got this. Like, I don't remember, and I'm gonna go to 2025 still having it. So this is one of the reasons why I love Nature's Nourishment products. It is because they last, and they don't only work, but they do last. You just need to learn how they work with your skin, okay? And I love it. It doesn't have a smell, doesn't have anything. If my skin is irritated and I don't want to use any more products that are too harsh on my skin, I will use this one only. Or if I have something on my skin, maybe my skin is sensitive, I will use this. This it is the baby. This it is the baby. But I would advise you to have a foaming facial wash, because I don't know, I feel like this is something that you will use as like the last step of you washing your face. You take this will be the last product that I use, because even if I wash my face now, 5 minutes, 10 minutes later, I won't feel like I need to put something on. My skin will still have moisture on it. So I love it. It does moisturize my skin. I love that. I love that. And the next product, it is the Pond's. And my mom got me this. I did not know where they have this, and I saw the blue one, but it is a little bit pricey. I really do want to try it, but right now I'm in the process of looking for toners. I want to start using a toner. This Pond's Serum Facial Foam Wash, it is good. I love it. Like, you can feel that being removed. And I don't scrub that much, and I love to scrub my face. So it's been a minute since I've been scrubbing my face, simply because why? This summer I sweat a lot. Like, I sweat even when I was young. Like, I have been sweating my whole life from a very young age. And I used to be skinny. Like, I used to be skinny, like skinny. Do you know that skinny? You're like, are they giving this child food? I used to be skinny, so I would sweat still. So I don't know, and all the time when that happens, my skin does get sensitive, because the sweat irritates my skin every time I'm wiping my face, my nose, especially this area. A couple of years ago, I don't know what was happening. My skin literally was off. I was pink. And it was during this time, like December. My skin was pink. It literally, and it was painful. And I was still sweating on top of that. So it was like applying salt on an open wound. So yeah, I do not love that. The thing that helped me, and within a day, it is the Cetaphil face wash. No, cream, the Cetaphil face cream. And my cousin was like, try this, maybe it will help. And it did help. Put it on. When I woke up, I was good. So that I will add to my skincare collection the moment we get there. But for now, I will stick to the babies that I'm using at the moment. So this, it is, I will give it a 9 out of 10. This one. And the new baby to the club. The new baby that we have added. It is the Capcut Pimple Rescue Moisturizing Day Cream. I want to get a night cream. I said that. With SPF 15. Instant hydration. Helps reduce irritation and redness. Helps reduce dark marks. UVA and UVB protection. 4-in-1. I love this. I love this. And to be honest, I saw my sister using it. The one that I was installing a week on. Love this. I tried it and it is so good. I saw my sister using this and I went to TikTok and yeah, I looked at the reviews. It gives you this glow. Do you see my skin? It gives you this glowy look, and I thought that because I have little irritation going on here, because I'm sweating and I'm wiping the same thing. I'm wiping my nose, cheeks, so this part irritate. Like, I only feel it when I use this and I use a washcloth or something. but when I use my hands it was okay. But there was irritation on my under eye, so that was painful. And I thought this, I was really delaying using this today. So yeah, this was so good. I love this. Like, it adds glow to your skin. You can see the glow, man. You can see the glow. So yeah, I love this. And this, I would give it a 10 out of 10. Literally, I will give this a 10 out of 10. So my skincare products, I love them. I will never repurchase something that I do not love. Never. Yeah, this one I knew I might repurchase it, but I might get the night cream. But if Nature's Nourishment has a night cream, I would get the Nature's Nourishment night cream, because I know this does not moisturize my skin or anything. So no. Or I might use the Nature's Nourishment cream as a night cream. Simple. And it will last me. So that is what I love about my products. And yeah, I got this one. You can get it Click, ShopRite, Discount. The Nature's Nourishment products, I did Discount only. Ponds, you can get it at Discount, Clicks, ShopRite, Nature's Nourishment, and this one is the Clicks. It is a Clicks product. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was informative. I hope this was informative. So yeah, I will see you loves tomorrow. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you. I give you hugs, 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 hugs. So please stay blessed, be blessed, stay positive, and be positive. And may the Lord bless you and grant you every prayer that you're praying for. I love you all so, so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. You liked, you subscribed, and please comment down your favorite products, or if you use one of the products that I used and you love them, or maybe they did not work for you. Because please bear in mind, just because I have dry sensitive skin does not mean they will work for you for your dry sensitive skin. We are not the same, babies. We are not the same. So this was just a suggestion, and me showing you how I use this product for my skin. So bear in mind when you are buying them. Don't be like, no, we are not the same. We do have the same problems, but we are not the same. We won't get the same solutions for our problems. So I love you. I love you. I love you. And I will see you loves tomorrow. Bye.